Welcome to Pumptonian's latest edition of the Nutrition News. In this video, we will be discussing mood and food. Greetings, kiddos. It's me here, Tony Bowman, and I am here with Dr. Jill.
Hi, everyone. If there were ever a year that we needed to be aware of mental health challenges, such as sadness, anxiety, and depression, 2020 would be the winner.
As if it is not hard enough dealing with quarantining, virtual learning, and staying away from family members, the winter weather makes getting outdoors, enjoying warm sunshine, and moving our bodies more difficult. Key things you can do to enhance your mental health include optimizing sleep, eating a balanced and healthy diet, and staying active.
Does this sound familiar?
Sleep is so important because it prevents anxiety and depressive thoughts.
Like an expensive car, your brain functions best when it gets premium fuel. Eating high-quality foods that contain lots of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants nourish the brain and protects the brain from oxidative stress. Kiddos, did you know new research is showing your digestive tract can impact your mood? It can help you feel happy. So what should you eat to keep your brain happy? But before we talk about the foods that keep your brain happy, let's talk about the digestive tract. This is where food is digested and turned into fuel for your body. Your digestive tract is filled with good bacteria. Good bacteria helps activate neural pathways that travel from the digestive tract to the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter predominantly produced in the digestive tract. It is responsible for helping regulate sleep and appetite, inhibit pain, and who knew, mediate moods. In other words, it helps keep you happy.
Remember, sleep is a key component in optimal mental health.
To make serotonin, we need tryptophan, which is called an amino acid. This is a building block of protein. Have you heard this term before, tryptophan? Maybe you noticed your uncle asleep on the couch after Thanksgiving. This is because of tryptophan, which is found in turkey. Foods that contain tryptophan include eggs, cheese, pineapple, tofu, salmon, nuts, seeds, and as we just learned, turkey. To help your brain absorb or use the tryptophan, it's important to pair these foods with carbohydrates. Examples of carbohydrates include pasta and rice. When we eat carbohydrates, our bodies release insulin, which promotes amino acid absorption and leaves tryptophan in the blood, allowing the brain to use the tryptophan. Another key premium fuel for our brains are omega-3 fatty acids. The brain is one organ with one of the highest levels of fat, a lot of which comes from omega-3 fatty acids. To help maintain normal brain function throughout life, we do need these fats. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in salmon, walnuts, tuna, chia seeds, flax seeds, canola oil, soybean oil, and fortified yogurts and juices.
Now let's discuss what not to eat. Research is showing that the standard American diet, also known as SAD, compared to the Mediterranean diet, results in an increased risk of depression. The biggest differences between the two are processed foods and simple sugars. When we eat these foods, we are giving our brain low-octane fuel. Like an expensive car, our brain requires high-octane fuel. If we give our brain low-octane fuel, we can damage our brain, like we would damage the car. Staying active is also key to optimizing mental health. Going for a walk, getting fresh air, and getting in touch with nature are all great ways to achieve intentional movement. Anxiety and depression are more common than people may think. When we address mental health issues with families, we find that many individuals and families who suffer think that they are the only ones, but we remind them that they are not alone and there is help. There are many factors that play a role in why we think the way we do, and if we keep holding these feelings inside, it can make matters much worse. So, it is important that we share our thoughts with others and not be ashamed of the way we are feeling. It is also important to be mindful of others who may be suffering in silence, so look to give someone a shoulder to lean on if you suspect that they are experiencing mental health issues.
If you or someone you know is struggling, speak up and tell an adult. So what did we learn, kiddos? New research is showing a link between our digestive health and brain health. Pay special attention to eating foods rich in tryptophan and pairing them with carbohydrate-rich foods.
Sleep, nutrition, and exercise are important for mental health. Lastly, do not eat lots of processed foods and refined simple sugars.
I know that last year has been very difficult because of COVID-19. If you or anybody you know is having trouble and their mental health is suffering, it is important to speak up.
The following links are great places to start when looking for help. Number 1, the Center for Disease Control has a page specifically geared to help children cope with mental health challenges. And number 2, the Anxiety and Depression Association of America has videos and blog posts that focus on managing anxiety around quarantine and social isolation, as well as how to talk to children and teens about the current coronavirus pandemic.
Thank you for watching, kiddos. See you next time.